Popular veteran Nollywood actor Victor Osuagu don come out come cry say my mother is after me since wey dey take bury Obi Cubana mother lavishly. My people, the wahala dey as e dey, but welcome back to this YouTube channel, Mina K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. If not the first time this way they stop for this channel, please enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. This video na 2-in-1. Another one na how Lincoln don come out come call his wife Bolale, say she na very bad wife. My people, come dey disgrace am for public the way e dey for Instagram. My people, this marriage of a thing no be for everybody, and e gets the way we suppose know how we dey take live inside. But before we want to talk about the matter, please, if you dey never subscribe, please subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification. Thank you for all those who are supporting, and may God bless you. So my people, this our Nollywood actor, yes, Victor, don't come out, come let us know, say since way this Obi Cubana mother burial pass, him know dey sleep well. Say as he take lock in eyes like this, he mother they come for am. He mother they come they tell am say make he rebury am back. Like to say the way Obi Cubana mother bury her there, his mother we don't die since 1919. I don't know how many, my people. He don't come out, come they give am bomber to ram. Say make you rebury me back, oh. Now Victor don't come out, can't let us know, say he gets us, they may they call help him, say may they help him because him know they sleep for night. He mother the whole and for neck like you go have to bury me back, and for lavish way, my people. Now he don't come out, can't let us know. And it seems funny, but if it still be not true, now fit think say me take the laugh on top the matter, or now me take the carry my mouth they put on top the matter, or they take the at Maggie or salt inside the matter, my people. Me, I get the video for you. I go let you now watch by una self, my people. When una watch it, we go come back for Lincoln and his wife Bolale. My people, let's watch it.
Which kind of trouble be this now? Since my Obi Cubana bury mama, now so I see my mama for dream. If I close my eyes, pain, now my mama go appear for dream. Where they shout, make I do reburial for her. Make I do reburial for her. Where I want get money, where I want take do reburial. I be Obi Cubana. I get Cubana hotel. I get Cubana. I get hostels. I get Cubana hotel. I get Cubana land and property. Now the same will where you give me, now I still they utilize. You say my son go ye into the world and zuzu. And since that time I've been zuzuing. Get say gaho ya mama Obi Cubana bra got what you may rebellion. All of you go je may rebellion. I want to go see them since I want to know about Willie Mohona. In him, I got some Mary rebellion. Mama go. Jiria wa yo, I'm not going to the press conference. I'm not blocking press conference. Jiria wa yo. That's going to be very better. Gamma over here, Potrana. Jiria wa yo. Biko, I don't meet him.
My people, make we dive directly back to this Lincoln and Bolale marriage saga. Just 6 months after into wedding, my people, marriage don't go kill-leg. It gets us, them say marriage not be for everybody, my people. This one, so now clear example for say marriage is not for everybody. My people, not be every man will stand for your front, can't tell you, say, baby, will you marry me? Now that person be better husband material, yes, because this link on so well una see for una screen, my people. Me, I think say it never be 100% husband material, because no matter what it take happen, no matter the problem you carry get with your wife, you not supposed to come out like this. Can't call the wife out for trouble this much, my people. Also an excess, can't they tell and say you married her because of clout? My people, before me won't put mouth inside, make I read, make una hear, my people. I read.
He shared a video.
There is trouble in the paradise of Nigerian automobile businessman Abraham Lincoln and his Vincent video wife Bolale, who featured in Zlatan's Pepper Dem song as their 6-month-old marriage is crashing. Bolale and Lincoln have gotten married just 22 weeks ago and have a son who is 2 months old. All seems to be going on well, or so the world thought, until Lincoln began sharing videos yesterday of him sending his wife packing. From the videos, it was deducted that Lincoln and Bolale had gotten physical and she tore his clothes. The video also showed a disarray of their framed pictures and some other things on the floor, while Lincoln alleged that his wife wanted to take his car away. Anyways, my people, me get the videos for here, and I go leave una the videos for una watch. But meanwhile, me go continue to the read. My people, calling her out in a series of stories, Lincoln revealed he has a wife in South Africa, and his marriage to Bolale was only for clout, adding that she is not fit to be a wife. The automobile businessman dragged her father into their mess and asked her to return his customer's car, which she took. My people, make we read some of the posts with TikTok. He said, "You are a baby mama, marriage you just for clout." It say continue, my people. They talk say marriage is not for you, Bolale. Come and be going back to your mother's house. It not finish. It say a nigga puts you under his roof, you don't appreciate it. If it's easy, your father run and left your mother. You bitches don't think before you misbehave. You will learn from Lincoln. My people, it just can't give a bomber to people like this. He say make she bring back customers' car. He say if it take easy like that, why the girl father take run, leave her mother? My people, this one takes pain my chest because himself talk say he married the girl because of clout. He say this Bolale like this, he can't carry belle for him for become baby mama just for clout, my people. He say he has a wife in South Africa. I see the matter just they pain me. He say Bolale no be wife material. My people, some people get the way they go, they enter inside your life, they go mess you up finish, then they go carry their legs can't go. Because this one not just one of it, my people. Him don't enter her life, take carry the clouds where it take neat and come out again, not still sit quiet, my people. Come they tell and say him has a wife in South Africa. The wife self na better wife material, 100 yards, my people. Forgetting say this man to na somebody give birth to him. I see the master say no. What is even happening here? As if that one no correct, my people. He still can't call out their girl mother and father matter take join inside. Una sabi some sets of people take there, my people. You go give them your secrets like this, because when mother or when husband and wife take there inside their matrimonial room, you no know what they share as secrets for outside. And this one not just one of them, my people. It's like this girl don't open up to her husband don't carry the matter now, take the mock at her with her, my people. This one no be better, but I see her, my chest just the pain anyhow. Me no know what to think about this particular video, and me no want to take mouth chook put inside, because as me I dey take the thing calm. Some kind people like this no supposed carry your trust at all. My people, make you write for comment section what you think about the video. I go leave the video of the whole saga for you, make una see how it's the broken frame and the car issue. My people, me go leave them. But before I go, if you dare you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification, and share the video. I will see you on my next video. God bless you as you keep supporting me. Choose.
I'm not capping when I said I'm done, but I fuck on my up like here. You want to go away with my car? I will show you a very good lesson. Me, you know, you can never fuck with Lincoln, I swear. For this Lincoln away with him, I'm both. Most of you guys, my share the show. My share the most of you. See like me, most of aṣọ tó mú àlè yíyá, ẹ wo aṣọ tó mú àlè yíyá, ẹ wo aṣọ tó mú àlè yíyá, sunwó ná leléyìí o, sunwó ná gidi, sunwó ná. Sumo no more ale.